Hi guys, welcome. Prepper in the Woods here, and this is April's RJ Bushcraft subscription box. Now, that's that one. I'm a little bit behind. I've had really bad luck lately, but I've been selling stuff on my Facebook group, Prepper in the Woods. I'll put a link in below. So I was able to upgrade my camera, and hopefully the microphone works at the moment. So here it is, and I only get the 55-pound one, and there's the 85 if you were so lucky to afford that one. I'm on a budget, so I can only afford the 85-pound one. I was waiting for 2 items, which is another reason why it took me so long. So I got the items, and I want to show you what you get in a subscription box from RJ Bushcraft. So let's go to desktop now and I'll show you. Alright, so I'm just going to pull them out and then tell you what the prices are. So you have a foldable snow shovel, and that's priced up at £10. You have a Rolson light, which is £3. An Exotac, I mean, £15. Sure strips, those were £11. Military speed hooks. Got here a small knife, an imperial knife. That was £10. What's that a minute? That is the smart key, so it's for just putting the keys on it. There. You got some paracord, gorilla cord, sorry. That's £10. Then you have these little items I'm going to forget. A nano socket, and that looks like that, which is £5, and a key smart, kind of another keychain thing there, which is another £15. So here it is, one last time, everything you get. So that's what this month, well, that's what April's box is. This month I'll do probably later on. But let me know what you think in the comments section. Do you think this is good value? What would you expect from it? You know, pros and cons and stuff like that. And I'll give back feedback to the owner, because I chat with him and everything. And this I pay for too, by the way. I don't get this for free or anything. So this is like an honest review. Here is what you get, and then that's it. So let me know what you think in the comments section. Again, anything I don't need, I'm probably going to sell on my Facebook group, Prepper in the Woods. So check on there also. And thanks guys for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you next video. Bye.